What's going on, everybody? It's your man, Chris James. Back at you with another one. So last night I went to a function, right? And I met a young lady that really made me think about some of the artists I'm investing in right now, my time and effort. This young lady already got songs made. She's already doing shows. And I'm sitting here dealing with people who got talent, but they're not ready to take it to the next level. So this is doing business. You gotta make hard decisions, and so this is pretty much a hard decision because I gotta let go of the other artists as far as working with them, trying to move them forward. Because I got people that's hungry, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a business decision. So, as you moving forward and coming up in life, and you making more money, and you trying to take your game to the next level, these are the type of hard decisions that you're gonna come up with, that you're gonna run into. These type of decisions that you're gonna have to make at a whim, at any time, So definitely you gotta be prepared for it. You gotta be in a mental space that is conducive to what you're trying to accomplish, and make sure the people that you're dealing with also moving forward and not being stagnated and holding you back. So that's kind of what was happening. But I knew better, and I seen better, so I was waiting for an opportunity to do this anyway. Definitely get yourself in the right mental space where you can do this type of stuff. You prepared for this. You gotta be built for this shit. You know what I'm saying? Can't make business decisions based off emotions. That's the same thing with trading too. Even meme coins and stocks, you got people that are emotional traders, which means they trade based off of emotions. They don't when they get scared, nervous, they don't do that. You trade based off the facts. What you're trying to accomplish, not how you feel. So, just thought I'd get out here with you guys today and kind of share that, and give you guys some insight, information, or knowledge on these type of things, man. You just got to be ready to deal with this type of stuff at any given time. And so yeah, even my own family, I got people in my own family that's talented, and they are saying that they want to do something, but by them being family, they're basically trying to do it their way, how family is when it comes to business. They just, money and blood don't always mix. So I'm having that issue too. But I'm definitely working on it, and trying to make it happen. Guys, hope y'all doing good today. You know what I'm saying? Definitely like the video, help me out. Like the video, subscribe, stay tapped in. We got a lot of stuff coming. I'm going to let y'all guys see my artists, introduce y'all to them. I'm going to have, we'll get with free music, free videos, and also you guys that join me on my journey with the meme coin space. I'm going to be giving away free Solana. So definitely stay tapped in for that. So yeah, anything I talked about, the links will be in the description. I'll see you in a minute.